Okay, guys, I'm going into my second Dollar General. I'm gonna see what else is up in here. Let's go. And this is their clearance, guys, right here. Okay, it is not that big, but I see some Pampers, so I'm going to scan those. Okay, let's scan those and see what's going on. Scan them. So these are $10.50. So half of that is $5.25. And then I have a $1.50 off coupon. I'm gonna hit that, okay? So I did get, and they are a size 4 cruisers, okay? So I got all 3. Now, also, let's see, they have a Listerine right here. So this one is not big. Now, supposedly the areas that was kind of not had a lot of money had the most, so that's $1 off. I don't know if that is supposed to be on clearance or not. I'll try it though. Okay, now it's not letting me claim it. Okay, here's a Swiffer. Let's see, this is a clearance right here. Let's see, that's $4.50. It's a $2 coupon. Okay, let's see. There's some Gaines dryer sheets right here. And here are some toothpastes. There's some found. Oh, there. Here we go, right here, jackpot. I'm gonna grab these as long as I can get me some garbage bags. And when in the other store, the lady did tell me to grab the garbage bags if I could find them, okay? So let's see about the garbage bags. Let's see what's going on with them. Okay. Okay. And they are $5.95. Put my glasses on. They're $5.95. It is nothing to them, and then make them 2 for $11. But they are $5.95 for the 21. So half of that. So let's do $5.95. Divide that by 2, and they are $2.97. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of those. So that's awesome. That's awesome right there. Okay, let's see. Oh, here, got one more box. Oh, this is a 37 count. So let me see if this is included. Let's see how much that one is. Oh yes, I'm trying to move too quickly, so bear with me though. That's $9.97. I don't know if that's regular price or what. I'll have to go and scan it and see if that's regular price. If this is $9.97 regular price, then I'm gonna put that back, okay? They do have Ziplocs down here. Let me scan them and see how much they are, okay? Now, they didn't have a big selection. I heard they had tissue over here. My cousin called me, but I don't see tissue, so I take it they already got that. Okay, those are $3.60 regular, $7, so half of that, all right? You guys know how I am. $3.60, half of that. $1.80. $1.80. Oh, okay. So a penny a bag. That ain't bad. We're gonna go and check the aisle and see if this bubble wrap was on clearance. Okay. All right, we want to hit up the clearances, guys. Now, don't forget this go on all week, so you can do this all week from the 16th through the 22nd. That's $12.50. That is not a clearance. It's just over here in this aisle, okay? So put that back. Now they have medicines over here: migraine, Bayer, dual pain relief. They got that one. Now I don't know if these are just sitting here, so let me scan it. Okay, $14. That's not a sale to me. Now, the reason why you're scanning is because you want to make sure, see if you have a coupon attached to this, okay? Now you have Swiffer back there. Oh, here's some coffee. K-cups, French Starbucks. Let's see. Okay. Okay, 402, which is on clearance. So it's 203. So that's $2.02 for that. Okay. And here's some Maxwell House K-Cups House Blend. Let's see. And that is $9.50. That is not a clearance. But look what I found back there. Somebody hid one. Okay. And we should have a freebie actually. $4. Nope. Okay. Okay, you can leave that up there. Let's see the Starbucks one. Let me see this one. This is $4.03. If long as it's half price, that's it off. Now the dryer sheets, you guys know I do not use dryer sheets, so let's check that one. Okay. Because Gang gave us a lot of coupons this week. Remember that. $4.50. But the 5, see, the spend 30, save 5 is on there. So if you can get $30 worth, that'll be good. Now let's check this Hello right here. Now there was coupons for that. I don't know if it still is a coupon for it. That's the thing. Okay. Let's see. I'm running out of space, guys. Running out of space. All right. Okay, that's $2.70. No coupon. So half of that. So if you need this, grab it. If you don't get it, guys. Advil multi-something. Let's see. So I'm going to pick and choose what we get. And it's probably going to be the diapers, the coffees, and the trash bags. $6.75, not a deal. Let's see what this is. Praise along for your stomach. That's for your belly, guys. So let's see. Let's see, that's $16, no coupon. Okay, guys, I found some more things, and with the help of someone, though. See this Lysol right here, and it is, hold on, 41 fluid ounces. This Lysol, we're gonna scan it. Let me show you. $3.15, no coupon, but it's the best. Now you see these two. Remember I told you the True Living paper towel? Someone asked me about 810 True Living paper towel, and it's the 8 count. Only 2 of them I found. We're gonna scan that. $3.47. Yes. So grab those. Now, start looking. If you're looking for more products, you're gonna start looking on the top shelves. I am in a store where they did not have the time to pull a lot. So if you look on the top shelves, you should find some things that you want. Okay,